Guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to divide a line in AutoCAD. So first of all, let's make a line. So say L enter. Just create a simple line. I am in the walls here right now, so I've just made a line of red color. So let's say you want to divide this line in exactly five parts. So you just have to select the line, write the command divide, and just press enter. Then you have to select the object to divide. Select the line that you want to divide, and just press. Let's say you want to divide this line into five equal parts. Mark my words, five equal parts. Then just type five and press enter. And when you select the line again, the line will be in perfect five parts, which is one, two, three, four, and five. So this is a very useful command and a very easy command to use in AutoCAD, which is the divide command. If you want to divide your line in perfect equal parts, then this command is going to be very helpful for you. So that was it for the video. The command's name was divide. That will divide the line in equal parts. Note it, sketch it, save it, do whatever you want. So that was all for the video, and if you like the video, then share, subscribe, like. And if you really like the video and found it useful, then share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.